Hi everyone, welcome to Charles Vlog. This time we're going to Japan for 1 week. We woke up very early and took the Uber to the airport. It has been 3 years since I left Japan. I'm a little bit nervous, also excited. This is our first day. We're gonna stay in Tokyo, Shinjuku. Didn't really do anything, we just had the ramen and we're back to the hotel because we're so tired and we just fell asleep. I didn't sleep and I took a shower and Skylar also woke up and we decided just to get prepared for the breakfast and leave to Fuji. The breakfast buffet was so busy in the morning, we had to line up a little bit. I really love buffets so much, and the buffet only costs like 1,900 yen. Since my plate, I got everything a little bit.
Hello, Cho. What is this?
So this is made of the Japanese nagaimo. We'll normally eat it with sashimi. May looks a little bit but I really like it. It's really clean and healthy.
Do you approve?
Of course, at the end I have to get a little bit of cake. And we took the bullet train from Shinjuku to Fuji.
It's cheaper to fly.
After the bullet train, we have to transit to another train to go to where we stay. It's trying to put the cracks in. Finally, the train is coming. Luckily, the train wasn't super busy, cold, but the seat was super warm. Here is the story. We're sitting on the train and a grandma sitting next to Skylar. Grandma really loves to talk to Skylar the whole time.
Tell a story.
What story? You choose Tokyo, you choose Japan.
Show me an old man on the plane. They said they love each other.
Arrived the station, but it's a little bit distance to where we stay. Because of Skylar, we have to walk all the way to our hotel.
Show got us lost.
Take a left on Misakamichi Street. Then in 6.
After 30 minutes, finally we get close to where we stay. Skylar comes to stop because I saw electric machine. Just got from the self-selling machine. It's so good. It's so dark here. Nobody's here. We cannot check in right now, so we just left our luggage there, and they only accept cash. We have to go to the ATM again. We have been looking for Fuji for a while. And then it's like, I turn around, it's right here. Oh God. Never been so close to Fuji. Fuji is really beautiful, and we walk by the lake a little bit just to relax. Walked to a coffee shop. It's very nice. I really like the interior design. Interesting thing is the name called Cisco and we asked to stop. Let's stop say because the owner really loves San Francisco, so he decided to open a coffee shop here called Cisco. Coffee tastes so good, even it's decaf, and the cheesecake is also very delicious. Then we went back to the hotel. Welcome to our room. So cold. I had my jacket. And they're super nice. They let us check in. We didn't stay long. We just get some clothes and we want to walk around. I really miss the convenience store in Japan. It literally has everything I want. The cake is my favorite. I have to get it. So what's in the brown bag is also my favorite. Nakasan chicken.
The paper comes off so easy.
We're just so hungry. Finally we get something to eat. So happy. That looks so funny. We're waiting for the bus. It looks so cute. We're waiting the bus and he has to get a monster from the mission.
Hello.
Finally, the bus game, we're going to see the Momiji. I'm so excited.
Music for it.
It looks pretty busy here. Hopefully we can get a spot. So many food here.
9. You have 10 cents?
Guys, so funny. Of course, Skyler got noodles and I'm still waiting for my food. It's already finished. I already feel it's like Finally, I got my food. I love mushrooms. Cooked with butter and soy sauce, so it has a very interesting flavor. I love it. We're back to the main place. Now the light is on. It's so beautiful. We walked up to the hill a little bit. It's a museum there. It's super cool. We don't want to buy the tickets, so we didn't get in. But we are still able to see the outside. I guess it's cool too. And we just walked by the lake a little bit and took the taxi home. We got back to the hotel. We're so tired. It's very dark outside. It's supposed to see the Fuji in the daytime. Should have taken a picture. It was really beautiful. Then we went to the onsen. It was so nice. Nobody was there. How was your onsen?
It was good. It was hot.
The onsen was definitely hot, but definitely helped me release a lot of stress. The onsen, we just checked the rooftop and we just fell asleep after we're back to the room.